Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. So today we are going to look at how to separate first name from last name that is in the same column. So in this situation here, in this call sheet, we have both the first name and the last name in one column. So how do we separate it? So the first thing you're going to do is to highlight the column next to the name column here, right click. Sorry, my mouse is malfunctioning. Right click and click insert. So that will insert a new column. I'll change this to first name. Since I meshed the other one, I will just mesh this here for my own sheet and change this to last name. So what I'll do is I'll press Ctrl plus Shift down to highlight all the cells I want to separate the first name from the last name. Go to my data tab. Under the text to column group, click there and you will see this radio button here, which is delimited. I'll leave it that way. Click next. So usually if you've not done this before, you will not see the space button or the space check button here will not be checked. So just check this here, click next and then finish. Boom, that's separated the first name from the last name. I hope this helps.